Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello student, welcome back to English with me, Miss Intanjana. How is your day? I hope all of you are fine. Before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Pray start. Finish. Now I want to make sure whether all of you are here with me or not. May I know how many of you are in this class? There are 33 students. Okay. 2 are absent. Okay. Well, attendance has been recorded. Okay. Today we will learn about there is and there are. What is there is and there are? Next, I will explain and how to use there is and there are. And this material has a different. So what we can understand better, we can see the object around us or the state of our class. For further explanation, let's go to the next slide.
There is in Indonesian means di sana ada, but to be is there indicates that the object sound is only one, or it can also be called singular. Before the object is usually affix a or an to indicate sebuah or seorang. So there is always followed by singular, which is bentuk kata tunggal. For example, ada sebuah apel. Remember, a singular is benda tunggal, which is only one. If in English there is only one, then here we use there is. Ada sebuah apel. There is an apple. Why use an? Because apple start with the letter A, so that start with vocal using an. Note an used when an object or subject begins with the vocal. Next example, ada sebuah kursi, and then the English is there is a chair. Why use a not an? Because chair begins with a consonant letter. Note a used when an object or subject begins with a consonant. Next, ada sebuah burung. There is a bird. Ingat, there is digunakan atau diikuti dengan singular. Bentuk kata tunggal tidak lebih dari satu. However, there is also used for something else. That is, it can be used with an countable noun. What is an countable noun? Uncountable nouns means things that cannot be counted one by one, such as this is one apple, this is one chair. For example, we can count water, sugar, milk, rice, money, butter, tea, and many other. The only things that count is the place. 1 glass of water, 1 spoon of sugar, 1 gram of salt. So, there is followed by an uncountable noun. Example, ada banyak gula. There is much sugar. Ada banyak uang. There is much money. Ada air di ember. There is some water in the pail. Oke, perlu diingat, there is diikuti dengan singular atau uncountable noun. Oke, next explanation about there are. There are in Indonesian means di sana ada. But to be are, there sound that the object sound has many or more than one, or it can also be called plural. And after the noun or noun is add the letter s or es as a marker for plural or many words. For example, ada 3 apel, and then what we use is there are 3 apples. Because there are 3, namely plural using s, at the end. Okay, next example. Ada banyak buku. There are many books. Bukunya banyak, jadi ditambah S. Ada 2 kursi. There are 2 chairs. Remember, if more than one, use there are. If only one, then we use there is. So that is the explanation of the material there is and there are. And what information did you get from today's material? I will repeat several points. There is for singular and countable nouns. Dan ada tambahan untuk there is, yaitu A. Digunakan apabila suatu benda atau subjek berawalan huruf konsonan, yaitu selain A, I, U, E, O. Sedangkan N digunakan apabila suatu benda atau subjek berawalan huruf vokal. While there are for plural.
Alright, thank you for today. I hope you always happy. Keep in mind the material I gave, and during this pandemic situation, stay at home and always follow the health protocol. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.